Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos, up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, 15,947. This is a weekly chart. So we've been talking about this bullish breakout of this rising channel. Overhead resistance 16,250. The bulls haven't been able to push and close a weekly candle above that level. Your stochastic is overbought. Your RSI is overbought as well. You know, a move to the downside, you get a bearish cross out of the stochastic, and then I guess the question is, where would the bounce be? You know, 14,000, 14,500. Again, that's the bearish scenario. There's a lot of bullish ideas here for Bitcoin. Let's zoom in real quick. This is the Bitcoin 1 hour chart. So Bitcoin broke above this $16,000 level, which we talked about previously. Got rejected here at 16,400. Now really it's make or break. Like, can this blue area hold as support for Bitcoin? If you see a move towards, 16,200, 16,300, this is essentially a breakout of this falling broadening wedge. This could potentially be the lower trend line of a rising wedge. If this breaks to the downside, you're looking probably at around 14,600 as a measured move. A move higher, remember, these rising wedges, they break out and they run parabolically. And you'd be looking at targets up here, 17,200. Next stop, 18,800 after that. I've got some amazing shout outs in my trading group. This person stated, I pulled 100% off YFI up. Thanks, CBC. This person took profits on his first 2 leverage trades, an algo and balancer, 80% profits, huge. This person sent me this today. Profits over the last month, $27,378. If you want to join the trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net, for all the information. Look at Bitcoin futures real quick. So there's a gap to the upside, CME Bitcoin futures. So, will that give us another move higher to 16,400? Because you got an overhead gap for Bitcoin. It kind of builds a case where, this runs up and fills this overhead gap on the SPART chart. Here's PAMP USDT went to 0. Apparently, it said that somebody not pamping PAMP apparently went to their system and just printed 1 trillion of the token and dumped it on exchanges. The coin went from 1 penny to way less than 1 penny and almost 0 in an hour. PayPal reaches 85% of the volume of Binance US in the very first month. And they just opened it up for the rest of the United States. Value DeFi protocol got exploited by more than 7 million in DAI. So the hacker returned 2 million worth back to the deployer address after this. This is the third attack in the last few months where these funds were part of the exploit. Again, this keeps happening. Eminence Finance was hacked for 15 million. They got back 8 million immediately. Harvest Finance got back 2.5 million after a $33 million hack. I just want to know what's really going on here. You guys think inside job maybe? They steal all the money, but then give back a couple $1 million to the actual deployer address. This person stated, well, he posted this in my trading group, and I really just want to build a case here for DeFi over the next week, month, 2 months, the life of the bull run. He said, look at this alpha chart. So I posted this alpha setup. He said, it looks like a blow off top, the scalp I can't resist. So I posted this yesterday. Buy the breakout of this level. Alpha has already had an amazing run up. So one of the hard parts about trading these coins is when they take off, like all of a sudden you're chasing them. So you find some level of resistance here, and then it's, hey, buy the breakout, right? This is Alpha USDT. Got 46% max profits in about a day and a half out of this guy. Started to pull back, but again, huge gains out of Alpha. If you look at Alpha, what did Alpha do? Like, you can't be mad you didn't get 530% gains. The key is, like, you have so much tremendous upside. These blow-off tops all happen at the end. This is the fastest, quickest possible gains in the shortest period of time. These rounded bottoms, these parabolic curves. And so something like this, at some point, I mean, that's exactly what happened here, parabolic curve. At some point, something like this is completely plausible for Bitcoin. I'm not saying it's going to happen now, but I mean, essentially, you do have a parabolic move to the upside. So just something to keep in mind. Guess who's paying attention as sushi reinvents itself? So many coins that just, let me show you some of these coins. Like coins that completely got destroyed and wrecked have been pumping extremely hard. SWRV, Alpha, Sun, Wing, DIA. Like they're so hard. CTK, SRM. Again, these coins got destroyed, and now it's like 75%, 32, 30, 24, 20, 20. And they just take turns pumping. It's crazy. Sushi, out of the blue, sushi. Remember this coin? The person that developed it just kind of disappeared, didn't want to deal with it. And then new management came over and took off, and they're trying to turn it around. Sushi BTC, hey, buy the breakout, posted this setup and grew. Boom, 86% gains. Like the DeFi phenomenon this weekend over the past like 3 to 5 days, it's crazy how much money is being made. And these small coins, like probably most people haven't even heard of them. Everybody's still sitting watching, 3 and 5% gains out of a lot of the larger cap coins. So the other day I posted new coins on Binance are popping right now. DeFi is hot as well. Focus on these. Like it's crazy. Like these coins were just continue to outperform the entire market. CRV, remember I talked to you guys about this? Like, look at this. You got a double bottom. CRV is obviously DeFi. And then, boom, look, huge. Look at that move. Like, this is not normal. This is not just this. It's almost like these DeFi coins are having their own little mini altcoin season right now. Uniswap, I talked to you about this. I gave you guys this setup right here. Ran up, 50% out of Uniswap. Huge gains out of Uniswap. Yearn Finance, YFI could rally soon past $20,000 as technical strength grows. So right here, I gave you YFI USDT. I gave it to you already. Look, YFI USDT, that's this triangle right here. Broke to the upside, is up 23%. Again, if YFI is going to break out, it's going to be this bullish pennant, right? And then these targets are up here. It could go a lot higher than 20,000. Again, it breaks to the downside. You don't enter the trade. No harm, no foul, right? And so just understand this idea. Now look at this right here. You got a golden cross on the 4-hour time frame. I want you guys to start paying attention to this because this is a good catalyst for a move higher. As an example, CRV, you got here's your golden cross. Golden cross, all your major moving averages crossing bullish above the 200, right? See how the price action breaks above the yellow line? XVS, I gave you guys this setup. I gave you guys right here, look, XVS BTC. XVS, it's up 30%. Got mainnet launch coming on the 24th, which is still 9 days away. So again, congratulations. Got a lot of thank yous for XVS. Life-changing money happens in these small caps. Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so this is a reversal idea. So down here we bounced and altcoins had a tough time. And then altcoins really turned on. We had some amazing trading. And even though this has been slowly trending higher, this overhead resistance level, this trend line, I mean, if you see a reversal here, these altcoins, these small cap altcoins, these DeFi coins will explode. Legendary trader calls DeFi bullish. Everybody else sees this too. He claims Ethereum could soon rally. So again, a lot of people are talking about DeFi sector. It's screaming higher. Through the past couple of weeks, we saw Aave up 150% in a short period of time. This person's talking about Ethereum could soon push past 470, even though there was a pullback now. And it's important that 430 is held by the Ethereum bulls. And I'll show you. So you got your rising wedge, right? And broke to the downside, retested, measured moves 420. 420. They're saying 430 has to hold because you got the support levels, right? So, I mean, essentially a bounce here. You still have Ethereum 2.0 coming end of the month. So there's plenty of time. But again, this level, 430, 420 needs to hold for Ethereum. Boom, move to the upside and take off. Capital is flowing into Bitcoin almost at a record pace, on-chain data is stating. Bitcoin's up 50% in the last 5 weeks. Like, it's on the map. It's on the map. It's amazing to see. Capital is flowing into Bitcoin. Travelers can now get U.S. passports in as little as 4 weeks with Bitcoin. So again, you're able to buy these passports. There's a California-based visa and passport processing company. They're going to be accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment as the United States Department operations are beginning to return to normal. Mainstream adoption. Get your passport with Bitcoin. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.